Ebusiafo mamu nyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH mesrel like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. I must say we edit the settings na season yes sir my bafi. That's we be able to yeah the MPP accept pano ebeko na kosa sema NDC for de no so no ebeka kire mu enti na settings na season no na yenko asem no so for Daako, the buga lady, or the assembly betujwa. Assembly one kasa hum. Daako assembly ho kai and say apparently, according to allegations, also for a friend, Dr. Lawrence Tetteh. Ni sound another software now a friend Mwaku software Mwaku new womb. Yeah. Na minim ama Ellen Daako. Assembly or what? Or no on him implications of what she has said. But for the boldness, the Bekano, it tells to say there is some truth in it. You see, we can say you. Politics is not for the faint-hearted. Unya kumount minya politics. Anything ya devia you can say, look, so person all year or software, you also for full time. U person your politics be politics no full time. But enkase we also for now you be hiding behind the pulpit to do politics. That is what we do not want. You hiding behind the pulpit to do politics. And as for be brave, as I said there, that is what is going on. You are hiding behind the pulpit and I'm on your politics. And that is why we cannot shut up. Now, once you start doing that, Peno, you have given us reason, number one, to attack you, number two, to dig into your past and live in your present. Because you cannot keep punching us hard and expect no reaction. No, you are a political party. We also want to come back to power. So you see, sir, people are digging and they are finding things. And the earlier you stop, the better. Because they'll keep finding damning things. Now, when they find those damning things, you see, one way or the other, it will affect your ministry. And I always say, as for phone, I respect you so much because me a church boy. But this was not how Christianity was. Now, Bible taught us say every king ruled with a prophet. And yes, sir. And we know, say, as for have a role to play in the development of the nation. But that role should not be motivated by money. They say we are so far not make appointment to a board, not na board so. And in in the past, you don't stand by it any longer. Wow, cast a trumu bet me obey demonstration, and now only demonstration in view. I didn't tell you, Skabiaba. Oh, yo. Me cast off for some So let's go and listen to Ellen Daako ni exp0sed. But before then, it was for studio donations. No, pamucho. Now about no screen. I say we have gotten 10,000, 15,000 to go. God bless all who are donating. I'm sure money now.
Oh, Sunday document be wow, and a link. I sent you two things. I sent you a link.
Yeah, you sent me the link when it comes to Lawrence Tetteh.
Lawrence Tetteh there, no. My starting fee. Abusia for me say we are the better her.
Because still link na enye.
Ti omo we are obi person of bia onko say so Facebook page. We are fat to Facebook page. Now omo pen omo ko na omo nkonko yeah. We yebeka ho asem we ye importers no ho asem. Yebeba no so later. Mamenka Lawrence Tetteh the first. Abusia Ghana ha ho. se wo say wo de wo be wura niema miensa bi mu a ye be dege o. Number 1, politics. Me call women's organizer. Ena mi hu say yetimi digi nipa. Ye digi ye kwa school ame call ye. Fitimi primary school. E make sure say mi CV na me de akọ. Say ha na me call school ha ne ye wo me na yampa. Ye check ye ko be check ye make sure say me papa ne me maame ye omo amese omo ye me papa ne me maame. Ye check ye hu baby me papa ne me maame fiche say ye ko me nananom achi ye kurom hasa na ye tie. Enye state officials na be ya wo opponents be ye. Lawrence Tetteh na yakofa ne ho asem abaye o. Ya mo amuwa hai mo amunim yesi sofo bi do sofo amuako. Yesi amuako ata onya accident wa Pam Junction. Oni Tego sisters years ago. Na National Reconciliation Committee na yewra Kufuor tie no. Yesi yewra Lawrence Tetteh sofo amuako ni nua ekoye Lawrence Tetteh report wo ho. Se Rollins nom PNDC for fan se olunko kum sofo amuako. Ti sofo amuako wuo no onim hubi. Nyame na meka history ye de abeto ho. Enti se wo ye sofo na wo mu ho. Na said aboni a wadi infie bebrebe atwamu. Nyame ahu mobo osofo amuako atade wewu ko wo de awoti ase. Na wo se nyame ama won kwatenten a wo de besesa wo suban ne niam boni a yesi efiri wawa no na okokan ye no. Wo besesa na wo se won sesa osofo ye bedege wo ye behu ye mama Ghana for mante ne baba wona hu mi se nya nna nka menim sa story no se wo ye kwashuni
obi abeka wa hada
ya let medra
yeah
wo ye kwashuni ye medra ina wa fa Kristo di atare wanim akua me se me yare me mpese me to aso nti abusuafo mo nkọ wai na papa no say ni hypocrisy no bibi di akire. Na he say we have to call him out and say so tibibo Kristo kura din biom e wo Ghana ha. Number 2 port for yes importers, traders and who use Ghana your entry ports at the year business. Whether it's by sea, whether it's by land, whether it's by way omu nyina abuafu. Omo ko strike if it in there. Yes NDC for cover AI biaba. Me de na minim say import duties e the AI na calculate. Na me ni custom ni ba ku because I see AI no amokofa ba no eye so bad say it importers necessary wo kra ade kra wo kra ba bia say si kire say mo say ye den e maye kotogo ni Nigeria ye maami ni wo kokwan su wo ba na AI ne say utua 10,000 na wo pa akosoro bra fo betua 10,000 make the same quantity of goods the same number of goods MPP amreso now the bar na utua 3,000 cedis. And na ma huso bi we say bra bia be kan asem o se niam a ode back same quantity same quality same everything and no tua FNSN 60,000 no ya pagya no de now to 200,000 NDC for say AI 80 port for ni buafu to mo letter mo de abeto ho no en na da ho no na ya ho ye nuanum adwadefo ye nuanum importers ye nuanum traders ye nuanum wenum nyina minim se abosio kan for mikromfo dosuom kwawfoi mikromfo kwawfo dosuo importers yi na nso so meka kodu ba bia na masen aka sebe o ye nyina ye kwase na age endwan munyina munim wo makoma mu you all know in your heart of heart say MPP ni aban pa ewo so a mo hotomo niema mu ye din said they MPP aban dream mu hunti. They always find a way of making things easier for you. COVID kofa we are since by ya MPP fault enya na ado fault and no crap mo the concessions enya na ado de mamu including port. So mu refi say do point be na ye clear niema free wo grom ha because of COVID na ado mresu mu refi ahun and na by papa ba ena ye agi mu 500% ne 300%. Ti se mani nkotogo ni bie wo ye ni ama mu nko Nigeria kwan no so egu Nigeria dwa egu na se nipa ya papa aban papa ba ya dream ho ye ni se wi ase asem na ba wi ase na ye de still na do se ma dream ho mo so na onye mo kan sama kese ene mo ne for muamo. Me de make me kura kyerɛ enya adiom bebu amo. Enti mo pa mo ntie mo free na nkopom ochina no pa. They don't care. Mami meka soloku and matters arising. Oh me no sister nkwasiafo bi wo ha me nkom asem. Nkom asem. Enti ne nam ndi aye sa brantie no. Moya ade mo nto aso. Se NDC dwen se omo de onu kwa akosi ho no abedidi asantifo mpanyimfo atemu a. Omo refi se omo highest number of votes omo nya no wasante. And omo refi. And omo refi se asante no it's only MPP stronghold. Se asante NDC strongholds omo ni wa. Ko check 2024 votes omo nya ye. The highest number of votes that NDC got from any region came from Ashanti region. Apart from Greater Accra, of course. Eti, media, mopa, munyano ho no nidi atem. Or no ti ho, su say MPP maba wa ne mrantie no mo anu ya.
Afeni ebe
Onya hu hwio, se me ka kire mo. Ohu ye tu aba ni wie na me kan wa TikTok he ya na me kan ye say nkwala na akọ training no afi na omo graduate omo kwa atem didie training NDC for start year no omo graduate if it last year omo graduate eba ye mu bi de ye professors of that atem didie school ye na ye kire omo me say me ye professor MPP atem didie school no me ye lende ku me na me ye chief administrator and professor na me training mabawa no na ye training omo ne mrantie no ye training omo every region eti wo de ho ba ubenya. Now what the Hubana Winya so say besi ama records. Tell me that some akofa sa akurasi ni be ma no so de abeto o no ne wa ye. Yayira koku ne wa ye. Ne nanimu aye akwala ketwa ne wo ho aye wutimi di na ado atem. Ofu isewo kwase bi basewo wutimi di na ado atem. Na na wo abegira ho se o obi didi amwakohene atem because o ya akwala. Wase agimi aka ho wunsa nwen. Opon kuruma bedi minister no edi ahe. Abujina poba beye deputy chief of staff no edi ahe. Na pagatia beye presidential staff no edi ahe. Na pagatia kra de no need 30 years. Fatima to Abubakar beye minister no edi fi ahe. Afa na Fati kwa 38 years. So subtract 8 years from her age no edi ahe. 18 age asem anwako hini age no onye hwe. President Kufuor kra bedi minister no edi ahe. President Kufuor first time obedi minister under Buzia no edi ahe. Ti mumfa munkwasi age ni nto enfiri ho. Mumfa munkwasi age asem ni enfiri ho. Jimifo bema, jimifo mema nkwasi afo amunim nyansa munsua de. Wu gira hwe mutimi di na nado atem na mu yedi mu atem am bekasa. Mo hefa na mo de kasa. Say eye mo yasi yedi mu atem. What pedigree do you have? Who are your parents? Who are your family people? What the fuck? What about them? Nana do pra ni papa ye president. Esikafu Ghana ha. Mumbu ya monim sentwe edidi nanim. Edidi natam. No fu isa we yedi watama. Yedi amwako hini we atama na mubu afu. Amwako hini we. Nipa mu nsamu we. Nipa mu nkase we. Ma jimi wa ho. Me se me yare ntia. Me yare I'm sick. Nyesa nka me sheda dumu agira ho adumu atam. Esikafu ma etitiri wuma omo prima Ghana independence ba ye makura apu mudi omo atem na wu koku viva wu mama me medi mabusuafo akura atem idiots say ye di amo akohene atem abuafu no no begina ho na odidi nkrofo atem ono amo akohiti bi gina ho di MP atem MP no ya solo kunu ko o de se ba fo manhia ho nyendo a whole lawyer when you are paying on the regime, why bet Fred take a whole minister? Why you TikTok live? Dim MP atem. Now we are going with the Uba the can with ye. Uba the Casa Yamo Yasi Edimatem. Nyamenya madum na minya ho den kakra. Me ameso me TikTok live. Me shede yi me yemu ayemu ankasa me yemu ni mabusuafo, ma yemu busuan panyi, ma yemu kuro mo henrom. Because mo jimi no mo ntrendi mu yie. Jimi fo. E ma me nkwa sa line no kwa akuya ma me ntwa so. Mo akohine atem didi get ready o. Get ready. Ebeka atem didi asem wonu stooges no nkwasiafo no. Mo bia meka atem didi asem NDC fo mo beka atem didi asem. Na atem ni eni de ye bedim mo papa. I'm a graduate no my ready o. me graduates na atem did graduates we are more than ready. Anti professor me so me wa ha. Omu di mu atem wi na me the icing on the cake abegu so. Jimmy for. Ekua mo bi nto aso.
And that's sister ma.